Alright guys, it's been a little bit. It's just super hot here in Vegas and I've not want to come outside and wash any of the cars for about 3 weeks now. Surprisingly, they're not that dirty. They're just full of dust, maybe a couple bird bombs here and there. So today we're going to use a detail keg, which is something that people are making. You can purchase now, and mine is an Sprite keg. It held Sprite soda. I made it myself. I have a video deep back in the logs of how I made it. Anyway, I'm ready to go here, and what I've done is I've taken about 2.5 gallons of water. I'm using the McKee's 37. This is the N-914 Rinseless Wash and Wax. It's the new color, same great formula, new color. I've put about 100 milliliters into 2.5 gallons. You guys can make it how you want. That's how I wanted to make this mix, and I'm just doing a waterless wash with the keg, so follow along. You guys can use a sprayer, a battery powered sprayer. You can use a hand spray if you want, but I want to show you the keg and how nice, how easy it is to use. You need an air compressor to fill it. I filled mine to about 73 psi and some towels. So let's go, guys. You can go over to autoforge.net if you want to get the new N-914 wash and wax. Let's do it. And guys, I just want to show you the cool thing about, I love this Carolina detailing cart. It's the one with the bucket cut out, and instead of using a bucket in it right now, I'm using the keg. This keg's a 5-gallon keg. Look at that, look how it fits in there. I can wheel it around. I have I think this is about a 25-foot hose here. So I can get around half the car and then just move it to the other side on the cart. Let's go, I'll show you. All right guys, so it says it's about 105 degrees outside. We do have a nice little breeze, and I'm gonna start by doing the top here. The wind is blowing that way, so I'm gonna work from the driver's side to the passenger side. All right guys, I'm just testing this out. I don't know if my phone is still working. The wind blew it over. All right, so even with the wind blowing my phone over, we've already done half the vehicle in about 3 minutes. All right guys, we're pretty much done with the body, the paint part. I'm gonna wet the towel a little bit more, and I'm just gonna get the windows, and then I'll go over it with a dry, clean, twisted loop microfiber. Alright guys, I'm pretty much done with all the paint. I don't want to be rubbing on it too much because there's a lot of wind and actually dust is blowing up, but you can feel the smoothness, the slickness. N-914 Rinseless wash and wax, no joke. Right now, the best wash and wax infused rinseless concentrate you can get, readily available over at autoforge.net. So let me show you how I do the wheels real quick, and we're done. Glass body wheels. I didn't do the top. I don't care about the top today. But we're done basically.